Has your work been piling up lately? Are you feeling swamped with all the admin tasks on your plate? Or are you missing out on some important things just because you're too busy to remember? If this is you, it might be time to hire a virtual assistant. We have already covered what the virtual assistant is in our previous video, but this time we'll be focusing on how to hire a virtual assistant for your real estate business. Hey there, get ready to learn the ins and outs of hiring a top-notch real estate virtual assistant. We'll cover everything from what tasks to delegate, how much to pay them, and how to make sure you end up with the best possible real estate virtual assistant. So keep watching. One of the things you need to do before hiring a virtual assistant is to determine your needs. Ask yourself which tasks you need help with and what kind of support you require. This will help you understand what to look for in a virtual assistant and ensure that you are hiring someone who can meet your requirements. Depending on their skill level, a real estate virtual assistant can help you with a variety of tasks, such as contact management. Virtual assistants can help you keep your contact list up to date, enter leads in your CRM, and keep your files organized. They can also help you create social media posts, interact with followers, and track results. Once you've generated a lead, a real estate virtual assistant can help you stay in touch until they're ready to buy or sell. A virtual real estate assistant can help you keep track of your paperwork, deadlines, and appointments related to a transaction customer.
That's pretty good.
They can also help you handle customer inquiries via phone or email so that you can focus on your clients. A real estate VA can help you keep track of your leads and sphere of influence so you can follow up at the best time. They can also do things like schedule appointments, make travel arrangements, and manage your calendar. A real estate virtual assistant can help you with things like market analysis, finding comparable properties, and looking up property information. A VA can also help you keep your website up to date by adding new blog posts, uploading photos, and making sure that all of your listings are accurate. Additionally, they can help you create things like listing presentations, buyer packets, and email marketing campaigns. And a lot more tasks such as proofreading, editing, task management, and bookkeeping. A good real estate VA can make your life a lot easier by taking care of all these tasks so you can focus on your clients and growing your real estate business. The next thing to think about is whether you want someone located onshore, nearshore, or offshore. You can evaluate your needs by asking yourself questions like, do you need good English speaking skills? Do you need specific experience in real estate specifically in your state? Or do you need full or part-time help? Also consider if you want to work with someone in the same time zone. If you do, then look for a US-based virtual assistant. But if you don't mind the time difference, you might find a better deal with someone in a different country. Another thing to consider is whether you want to hire through a traditional job listing site or a freelancer platform. You can post a job on sites like Indeed or ZipRecruiter, review the applications, interview the top choices, and hire the best fit. Just make sure to create a contract, decide on payment and schedule, and gather tax information. Or you can find help through freelancer platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Simply search for the skills you need and invite potential candidates to apply. These platforms handle the hiring process and allow you to pay your assistant directly, reducing any risks. After conducting the interviews, it's time to make a decision. Choose the virtual assistant who you believe will best meet your needs and who you feel comfortable working with. And lastly, once you have hired your virtual assistant, start working together to ensure a smooth and successful partnership. Clearly communicate your expectations and provide a clear guidelines for what you expect for them.
Many businesses are aware of the concept of offshore staffing, but not all have a full grasp of what it can bring to their tables. Offshore staffing is a common practice by many of the biggest names in the industry. Not only can you save 70% on staffing costs, it also leverages the global workforce, giving access to a pool of 8 billion highly qualified staff. It is the single most powerful tool in business and it's changing the way that business is done. Want to learn more? Visit our website.
This time, let's talk about the cost of hiring a real estate VA. The price of hiring a virtual assistant can vary based on a few factors like their experience, the amount of work, and where they're located. On average, you can find a basic VA in the US for around $14 to $20 per hour. Now, if you're looking for someone with more experience in the real estate industry, they might charge you anywhere from $30 to $70 per hour. If you are open to hiring a VA from the Philippines, you're in luck.
Yes!
VAs in the countries such as the Philippines are usually less expensive compared to those in the US. In fact, you can find a real estate VA in the Philippines for around $7 per hour. That may sound too good to be true, but when you convert it to their local currency, it's actually a decent wage. And you'll save more in the long run. There are many talented individuals around the world. Take your time finding the best fit for you, and you'll soon have a trustworthy partner who you can rely on to help you achieve your goals. Just remember, it doesn't happen overnight. In the beginning, it may take longer to train up a new assistant, but it pays off over time. Now, if you need help in hiring VA offshore, visit our website to book a consultation and get 3 free codes. If you like this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to watch the latest outsourcing-related videos. I hope this video has been helpful for you if you're thinking about hiring a real estate virtual assistant. If you have any questions, make sure to post them in the comment section below. And with that being said, I will see you on the next one.